In this video, you will see how to translate a PDF document from the original English to the language of your choice. This is not an easy procedure, but with a few simple steps, you will be able to translate many PDF documents that you might find in ICETE Academy courses into your language. So let's look at the procedure, once again using Google Translate. So here we are in an ICETE Academy course. In this case, it's a course on virtue, sought, caught, and taught. And in the Learn section, as you will see, in the end, there are two PDF documents. And you can recognize a PDF document by this particular icon. Sometimes you may not see the icon. There may be a link, but it is a link in any case to a PDF document. The first thing you do is you need to download this particular linked file. So I've already downloaded it, so I won't take the time in the video to do it. And it has gone into my download folder of my computer. Once you've done that, you have the file on your computer somewhere. Go back to Google Translate. In this case, once again, the address is translate.google.com. You will go to the section Documents. Click on Documents. At that point, you can choose a document from your computer. So simply click on Browse Your Computer, and in this case, in my Downloads document is the document, the PDF I had already downloaded. Click on Upload, and at that point, again, choose the language of destination. This time we will choose Spanish, and click, or you can click on the arrow and find other languages here as well. In this case, we will choose Spanish. Click on Translate. Depending on the size of the document, it may take a little bit more time. But here you see that this is a 10-page PDF, and within a few seconds, it is now translated into Spanish. Once again, the translation may not be perfect, and there may be some formatting issues, but as you can see, this looks quite good, and clearly it is understandable, and you can read the PDF resource in your own native language. So this is how to translate a PDF document using Google Translate.